Hi guys, what's up? My name is Shivangi and you're watching me on Bioderma's channel, and I'm really excited to share with you what I've got today. Before that, I really want to talk about the most talked topic, and that is acne prone skin. And it's not just oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin. I think every skin type goes through acne, During some or the other time of your age, you would obviously experience the acne in your life, right? And something that we don't want to do, and some of you who do not have acne, I'm so glad that you don't. And today's topic is going to actually revolve around this topic, so keep watching. Now, we all talk about acne. We need to first understand what causes them. So according to me, there could be so many reasons. Could be hormonal changes, there could be lifestyle changes, there could be the reasons that you're not having adequate sleep for yourself, or you're not drinking enough water. There could be so many reasons to it. When you have acne prone skin, it's very important that you actually use the products which are right for your skin type and kind of suits your skin and the redness and the damage that the acne is causing to your skin. Having said that, I really mean you to be comfortable in your own skin. Does not matter can you have acne or anything, you just need to be confident and comfortable in your own skin. Alright, so you see that I have makeup on my face because I was shooting, and uske liye I have been using this product. This is Bioderma Sebium H2O. Now this is a range which is concentrated towards acne prone skin. What I really do is, because you really want to get the makeup off your face, so I'm just gonna take it on a cotton pad and gently gonna clean my face. बिल्कुल भी pressure लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's gonna clean your face without doing anything, like you can see. Now on your lips and your eyes. Okay, on your lips and on your eyes, I would suggest that you leave the cotton for a bit so that it kind of melts the product. And then removes it. What I really love about this product is, it gives that instant refreshness to your face and also limits the sebum secretion, and it doesn't dry the skin out. I'm going to take the Sebium Gel Moussant. This is their cleanser. It's a mild cleanser, and it's purifying cleanser with foaming gel. Now, all of us know that foaming face washes are just the best thing for the acne prone skin. And I'm going to take a little bit on my hand and just gonna gently rub it and use it. This also helps in sebum control. Do not leave your pores clogged. Now I will just go and wash it. After washing my face, I always believe in dabbing my face instead of just rubbing it. Now that my face is completely clean, I will take the Sebium H2O, which can also be used as a toner. Yes, you heard me right. This can also be used as a toner, and I don't like to take it on the cotton. I want to take it on my hand and just gently dab on my face. It makes you feel really, really refreshed and very light on skin, very, very light on skin. The final product in my PM routine is going to be this Sebium Hydra. This one is intensely moisturizing, and it also limits the tightness if you have any on your face, and it's non-comedogenic, very, very nice on face and extremely hydrating. So I'm just gonna take a little bit like this. I like to really moisturize my face well in the night. Just gonna take it on my fingers and apply it like a layer, because I kind of want to feel hydrated when I wake up in the morning. It's non-comedogenic and very hydrating on the face. And they say you should sleep like a glow queen. You can also use different tools to kind of feel extra. I just want to use it in the upper direction of my face like this, and kind of, and that's kind of my PM routine. And if you guys are also having acne prone skin, then I highly recommend you guys trying this range out. And because it's not just light on your skin but also is non-comedogenic, meaning if you have acne then you should use non-comedogenic product, be it your foundation, anything in your makeup. Cream that I've just applied, the Hydra Sebium, it's really hydrating, and I also use it as a makeup base because it kind of blurs the pores and is really good to go. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment section below what you want to watch next and which range do you want me to review from them next.